Welcome to Sydney CBD Repair Centre, your go-to shop for Samsung smartphone repairs in Australia. Today, we'll talk about Samsung Galaxy A22 and some of most commonly asked question on replacing its broken screen. Let's go! How much does it cost to replace a screen on a Samsung Galaxy A22? The cost of replacing a screen on a Samsung Galaxy A the 22nd of May vary depending on the service provider, the location, and the availability of spare parts. According to some sources, the average price range for a screen replacement is between Rs. 1,200 to Rs. 2,999 in India, 4,871 Philippine pesos and 42 centavos to 8,745 Philippine pesos and 18 centavos in the Philippines, and £100 in the UK. However, these prices are not official and may change without prior notice. It is advisable to contact your nearest Samsung service center or authorized repair shop for an accurate quote before proceeding with the repair. Does Samsung Galaxy A22 replace screen for free? Samsung Galaxy A22 is a smartphone that offers many features and benefits to its users. However, like any other device, it may experience some problems or damages that require repair or replacement. One of the most common issues is a broken or cracked screen, which can affect the functionality and appearance of the phone. If you have a Samsung Galaxy A22 with a damaged screen, you may wonder if you can get it replaced for free. The answer depends on several factors, such as the warranty status, the cause of the damage, and the service provider. Here are some scenarios that may apply to your situation. If your Samsung Galaxy A22 is still under the manufacturer's warranty, and the screen damage is due to a defect in the product or a faulty installation, you may be eligible for a free screen replacement from Samsung or an authorized service center. You will need to provide proof of purchase and warranty information, and follow the instructions on how to send your device for repair. If your Samsung Galaxy A22 is not under warranty, or the screen damage is caused by accidental drops, spills, or other external factors, you will have to pay for the screen replacement. The cost may vary depending on the service provider, the availability of parts, and the extent of the damage. You can contact Samsung or an authorized service center to get a quote and schedule an appointment for repair. If your Samsung Galaxy A22 is covered by an insurance plan, such as Samsung Care Plus, you may be able to get a discounted or free screen replacement depending on the terms and conditions of your plan. You will need to file a claim with your insurance provider and follow their instructions on how to proceed with the repair. In summary, whether you can get a free screen replacement for your Samsung Galaxy A22 depends on several factors. You should check your warranty status, the cause of the damage, and your insurance coverage before contacting a service provider for repair. You should also back up your data and remove any personal information from your device before sending it for repair. Will Samsung fix my cracked Samsung Galaxy A22 screen? The answer to this question depends on several factors, such as the extent of the damage, the warranty status, and the location of the customer. Generally, Samsung offers a 1-year limited warranty for its devices, which covers defects in materials and workmanship, but not accidental damage or misuse. If the customer has purchased an extended warranty or a protection plan from Samsung or a third-party provider, they may be eligible for a free or discounted screen repair. Alternatively, the customer can contact a Samsung authorized service center or a local repair shop to get an estimate for the screen replacement. The cost and time of the repair may vary depending on the availability of parts and the expertise of the technician. The customer should also back up their data before sending their device for repair, as some data may be lost or erased during the process. How much is a Samsung Galaxy A22 screen? The answer to the question, how much is a Samsung Galaxy A22 screen? Depends on the location, the type and the condition of the screen. According to some web sources, the price range for a Samsung Galaxy A22 screen replacement is 4,871 Philippine pesos and 42 centavos in the Philippines. 5,030 pesos in China. KSH 9,500 in Kenya. These prices are subject to change and may vary depending on the availability of the spare parts and the service center. It is advisable to confirm the actual price with your local service provider before proceeding with the screen replacement. Is a cracked Samsung Galaxy A22 screen covered under Samsung warranty? A cracked Samsung Galaxy A22 screen is not covered under Samsung warranty, unless it is caused by a manufacturing defect. According to Samsung's official website, the warranty does not cover damage resulting from misuse, accident, or normal wear and tear. This means that if you drop your phone, scratch it, or expose it to water, you will have to pay for the repair or replacement yourself. However, if the screen cracks without any external force or impact, and you can prove that it is a defect in the product, you may be eligible for a free service under the warranty. You will need to contact Samsung customer support and provide proof of purchase and the serial number of your device to make a claim. How long does Samsung take to repair cracked Samsung Galaxy A22 screen? The answer to this question depends on where you get your Samsung Galaxy A22 screen repaired. According to some sources, the repair time can vary from *30 minutes ** to 2 hours *, depending on the availability of the parts, the complexity of the repair, and the amount of data on your device. If you choose to use the official Samsung repair service, they claim to fix your screen in under an hour * at your location, with a 12-month warranty and no effect on your Samsung warranty. However, some third-party repair shops may offer lower prices or faster service, but you should check their reviews and warranty policies before booking your repair. What happens if you don't fix a cracked Samsung Galaxy A22 screen? If you have a cracked Samsung Galaxy A22 screen, you may be wondering what happens if you don't fix it. The answer depends on the severity and location of the crack, but in general, there are some risks and drawbacks of leaving it unfixed. Here are some of them. Reduced touch sensitivity. A cracked screen can interfere with the touch sensors and make it harder to use your phone. You may experience delays, glitches, or unresponsiveness when you try to swipe, tap, or type on your screen. Increased risk of further damage. A cracked screen can expose the inner components of your phone to dust, moisture, and dirt. This can cause corrosion, short circuits, or other malfunctions that can affect your phone's performance and battery life. Additionally, a cracked screen can weaken the structural integrity of your phone and make it more prone to shattering if you drop it again. Compromised display quality. A cracked screen can affect the clarity, brightness, and color accuracy of your display. You may have trouble seeing the content on your screen, especially in bright or dark environments. You may also notice lines, spots, or dead pixels that can ruin your viewing experience. Potential health hazards. A cracked screen can pose some health risks to you and others. For example, you may cut yourself on the sharp edges of the glass or get glass shards in your fingers or ears. You may also expose yourself to harmful radiation or chemicals that can leak from the damaged screen. Furthermore, you may endanger others if you use your phone while driving or operating machinery, as a cracked screen can impair your vision and distract your attention. As you can see, there are many reasons why you should fix a cracked Samsung Galaxy A22 screen as soon as possible. Not only will you avoid these problems, but you will also extend the lifespan of your phone and save money in the long run. If you need professional and affordable screen repair services, contact us today and we will be happy to help you. How easy is it to replace a Samsung Galaxy A22 screen? To answer your question, replacing a Samsung Galaxy A22 screen is not very easy, but it is possible if you have the right tools and skills. You will need to remove the back cover, the battery, the motherboard and the front camera module before you can access the screen. You will also need to use a heat gun or a hair dryer to soften the adhesive that holds the screen to the frame.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
Through the display. Look at that. It's really broken. We're gonna remove this back cover. This is a plastic back cover because the Galaxy A22 is kind of a mid-range smartphone. And you can see that we can bend it without any problem. If you do that with a glass back cover, it's gonna break. Adhesive is relatively strong. We still need some alcohol or WD-40 on this one just to agitate the adhesive. Still safe, but make sure you know where to spray. David here is a Samsung Galaxy expert, so anything Samsung he can fix. That's a guarantee. I'm gonna slowly peel this off. Slowly this time. And voila, it's removed. We're still gonna reuse this, so we're just gonna put it on the side. And then we're gonna proceed now to